Ahoy there guys, it's eevgametv here, and today we're going to be playing some Bee Swarm. I was thinking that I didn't get a lot of subscribers and everything, and like I wouldn't get a lot of likes or stuff, so that's why I decided to play Bee Swarm instead of Piggy, because I think you're going to get a little bit tired of that. And you can see how much honey I have and how much pollen I have in my bag. Pollen I have in my bag. And how much I can hold and stuff. So yeah, today we're going to be showing you how to, we're just going to be showing how to get glue. Okay, so a glue is really expensive, a really good thing that you need to get other stuff. So I was thinking that I would just go ahead and tell you, which I will tell you like right now. Okay, so you go over here. I'm teaching you how to get the glue here. You go over here and you go to that cannon. It's the easiest way to get to the glue. I think you have to. Okay, so we're at the cannon. A red cannon. Now fire! No, I did it the wrong way. At least I can just fly back like this. That's as good, right? Let's just try to shoot it at us into the 25. Okay. So if y'all can't shoot the cannon, but y'all can go into the 25, y'all go ahead and just go into the 25. If y'all can shoot the cannon and you can go to the 25, shoot the cannon as a faster way. So land in the 25. Just let it usually land like it always does. Then, now we are going to go one more place. Okay, my game's a little bit laggy, so I might know where it is. I think it's like right there. Bye. Sheesh! Am I gonna make it? Yeah, I'm gonna make it. Ahoy! I made it. Well, I forgot how to get it, so don't worry about it, but that's how you get, like, look, 10 of it, where you can go really fast, but that's not the way you get glue. I forgot the way to get glue, but when I figure it out, I'll tell y'all all. And how you get the gummy bee is, you have to, I already have it. I've been having it for like super long. Look. $2,500 of these, which I already have it. It's like right somewhere. I just saw it. It just went away. It's fine. So, and the way that you can get like gummy armor is if you do this. Go on top. Drop some gummies. You'll be in here. Let me tell you how much they are. For the helmet of gummies, you have to have 250 glue, that, and that. And look how much it is, though. It's like 5 billion, right? Or like 500 billion. Wait, is that a trillion? No, that's a billion. I thought I saw it as a trillion for a second. Oh, I should have just switched over. Now oh, dang it. No, stop. There. 100 billion. It's the shoes. They're really good. I don't have it, but oh, there's the glue. That's where the glue is. Okay. Here's the glue. There's the glue. Then it gives you 2+ a day. And look how much I've been doing it. Look, this is how long. I've been doing it for 20. So yeah, let's just reset. So boom, bruh. That's how you get the gum. And I'll be showing you maybe a little bit more stuff around here. And this guy sees good. He looks better than me. Ooh! Okay. Okay, so let's do this, guys. So, just let it shoot up, but I'm gonna get on top of here. This time. What are they doing? It sounds like a good field to go to. Here, come on, let's go. I have to fight the wolf here anyway, so I won't die. Because I've fought the wolf before. Who goes here? That guy. He must be like really good. So boom, guys. Sorry, y'all, but boom. We are surrounded. Oh, here's the diamond thing. I think I might know how to get the diamond. I just need to go back into the 25, which I will not take the cannon this time. So yeah. My hive. Someone said my hive, and someone said, oh, where are you? My hive. Oh, alright. Okay, that's seriously not that funny, but still. What was I going to do again? I totally have forgotten. Oh yeah, now I remember. Okay, so we're gonna go over here. Jump. I think the guy has a diamond mask, so I think I know how to get it. But it's really difficulty. He will not get it, probably. Probably not get one thing. Well, y'all will, because it just depends. It just depends if y'all are good. There it is. That's the mask. That's the mask. But it's like, I think you have to, I don't know what those moons are. So like, I can't jump on them. You might have to have good shoes to get there or something, I don't know. And that's your reward when you get over there. And that's the diamond mask. So no, I did not mean to do that. I'm on a computer. So yeah, but it's okay. No. Okay, seriously. Now what? Okay, let's go back to the cannon. I'm going to show y'all something. If y'all have been wondering, what does the 30 look like? I don't know the 35. I can't go into the 35 yet. I don't know what the 35 looks like or the 30. If y'all are thinking of that, I cannot show you the 35, but I can show you the 30. I'm good. So this guy right here is the guy that gives you a really good quest. But when you complete it, you get 1,000,000 honey. The worst part about the bears is having to write their lines. They don't say much, but even that's too much for me. I'm not a writer. Why can't the bears just think? I don't know what that says, but it's okay. I'm looking at you, science bear. Science bear. Okay. Ooh. Come on, guys. Jump up. It's fine. That I already got that. I don't remember how I got up there. So we'll be just seeing what this does today. I want to see what this does. I forgot. Let's see. Okay, whatever. It's fine if I didn't get the other treat. 13 minutes. Wait, was that 13 or 15? That was 13. Okay, guys. So that was it. If there's anything else that you want me to show you, are you asking? Hey, bro, eevgametv, user 1212. Where is the 35 place? Hey, I'm crying because I don't know. Oh, don't worry about that. I will show you right now. There. Nah, not that. Not now. So it's over here. By Brown Bear. By the cannon. Up top. Here. That's the 35. Let's look down here, guys. I heard some people will be able to be in there. Alright guys, that was all for today. But hold up a second. Make sure to subscribe to eevgametv. And my YouTube name is eevgametv, so mini teen or craft. If y'all find me a friend request me, and I'll accept it for sure. And look down below and look at your requests and see if you get me on there. If you get me, eevgametv, eevgametv. My cousin accidentally did not put it V, so yeah. So make sure to get me. Bye. Make sure to subscribe and give a thumbs up if you did enjoy this video. Alright guys. Bye.